Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Echo is online and paired to the same Amazon account as your Alexa app. Once done, open the Alexa app on your phone and tap Devices. Make sure you choose the exact Echo model you want to change. This matters when multiple devices exist. You're now in the Device Settings view. Tap the gear icon or device name to access its options. This first step sets the stage, because wake word changes are applied per device, not account-wide. Now you change the wake word. In the device settings, locate wake word and open that menu. You'll see available options like Alexa, Amazon, Echo, or Computer. Tap the one you want and confirm. The app sends the update to the Echo. You'll notice a short pause while the device updates. This is normal because firmware flags and local recognition models are replaced. Make sure the chosen wake word suits your household to avoid accidental triggers. Finish by testing the new wake word. Say it naturally and listen for the tone and blue ring. If it doesn't respond, make sure the Echo is online and the app shows the change, then reboot the Echo and the phone. Once rebooted, confirm the app still lists the new wake word. If problems persist, reapply the selection or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Reboot and reconfigure afterward. One key tip: reduce background noise during testing for reliable recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.